Hi, we are going to install third-party watch faces for Haylou watches. Download watch face from below link or any other Haylou watch face sites. Download Hello Haylou from Play Store and open it. Connect your watch. After connect successfully, back to home page. Press on more button, then select watch face. Swipe right up to select editor. Press new TBWF icon and select downloaded watch face file. Open the watch face icon, then press upload watch face. Enjoy new third-party watch faces for Haylou watches. Thank you.